I think the placements within the Lancashire Forensic Science Academy enhance employability in a couple of ways, really. Firstly, the real-life, real-time experience afforded to the students, and that exposure allows them an insight into the role they will hopefully be following as a career. That sort of experience can't really be replicated just through the teaching experience, so I think that is invaluable. Secondly, Lancashire Constabulary itself is an employer within the industry. So this collaboration puts the University of Central Lancashire students directly in front of that employer and allows them to showcase their talents and skills, which obviously stands them in good stead when they're looking for employability at a later date.
A lot of the applicants we get for jobs here have forensic degrees, and it's a very competitive market, so by getting some experience actually in a real live environment working alongside operational CSIs and scientists, it's something that gives them the edge over the other students and applicants for those jobs. The aim for students by giving out placement opportunities is that they'll get realistic view of what forensic science really is, rather than the glamorous image that's portrayed in TV programmes. So they'll see the good side of it, but also the painstaking, laborious side of making notes, examining items in a laboratory or at a scene. The skills that we hope students will learn while undertaking the placements include learning to deal with members of the public, dealing with the case management of cases, things that are difficult to teach in a learning environment, but are a vital part of dealing with forensic science and going out to crime scenes.
In the mornings we get to go out with CSIs onto active cases, so we get to go and see crimes as they're happening. And then in the afternoons we get to do some crime scenes at the scene houses, which have been reconstructed to scenes they've done before. The crime scene houses now, we got to do that at UCLan as well, so all the skills we learnt there have been able to apply in our practicals here. We get to do things here that UCLan can't quite replicate, so we get to see the actual people that have been affected by crime, so you get the emotional aspect, which you can't get at UCLan. I'd recommend placements to all the students because we get to learn from people that are doing it every day. It's one of the best things I've done.